In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore the default layout in Proton Mail using Chrome. Whether you've been experimenting with different layouts or simply want to go back to the clean original look, I'll guide you through this process step by step, making it simple and straightforward for you. First, let's get started by opening Proton Mail in your Chrome browser. If you're not already signed in, take a moment to log into your account. Just enter your credentials and you're in. Once you're on the main page of your inbox, you'll notice a variety of settings and options available, which are part of Proton Mail's user-friendly design. Now look towards the top corner of the page, where you'll find the settings icon. It often resembles a cogwheel. Clicking this icon takes you to the settings menu, where you can adjust a variety of options to personalize your email experience. Once you're in the settings menu, you'll want to navigate to either the appearance or inbox layout section. This is where Proton Mail allows you to adjust how your email interface looks and feels. If you've tried out different layouts or themes, this is the place where those changes were made, and consequently, it's also where you'll go to revert back to default settings. In this section, keep an eye out for an option labeled Restore Default or Reset Layout. This is the feature offered by Proton Mail for users wanting to quickly revert their settings back to the original default. Depending on updates or changes in terminology, these options might slightly vary in exact wording, but they're aimed at doing the same thing, restoring your layout to its original setup. Once you find this option, go ahead and click it. This step signals Proton Mail to reset your current layout back to the default one. It's worth mentioning that this action doesn't erase your emails or personal settings outside of the layout preferences, so you can proceed without worry. After clicking the reset option, a confirmation prompt should appear on your screen. This is a standard procedure to ensure you really want to make these changes. Simply confirm your choice, and the system will take care of the rest. Don't forget to save your changes. Hit the save button to make sure everything is applied accordingly. This crucial step ensures that when you exit the settings menu, your layout will remain in the restored default configuration. And there you have it! By following these straightforward instructions, you've successfully navigated through Proton Mail's settings to revert your inbox layout back to its original form. Enjoy your fresh, uncluttered email view.